Hi guys, this is engineer Abdul Azim. Welcome to my new video. Today I'll show how to check engine oil accurately by two different ways. One is conventional, another is a trick. When we check engine oil, we actually check two things. One is engine oil level, other is the quality of oil. You know, oil is an important component of any engine because it acts as a lubricant among moving parts. Lubrication helps to cut down on friction, which in turn helps to cut down on heat. So, engine oil should be checked regularly. Let's start our job. After turn off the generator, allow the generator for 2 minutes to let the oil settle. To check the oil level, pull the dipstick out from the engine. Wipe it with a clean rag. Then insert the dipstick back into the tube. Pull it back out and look at the both sides of the dipstick to see where the oil is on the end. Every dipstick has some way of indicating the proper oil level, whether it be two pinholes, the letter L and H, the words min or max, or simply an area of crosshatching. If oil remains within the mentioned area, the level is fine. If oil is below the minimum mark, oil must be added. If everything is okay, insert the dipstick back into the tube and make sure that the dipstick is fully setted. Sometimes we are unable to identify the oil level by our eyes because it seems the same color of dipstick and oil. For solving this issue, just take a fresh white paper or clean cloth or anything that is available on your hands. I took a fresh wood. Now put the dipstick on it and compare the level. This is how you can check the level accurately. Now check the quality of oil. If the oil is a dark brown or black like Coca-Cola, then oil needs to be changed. If the oil is lighter, then it need not to be changed.